We have again the other very important position, and that is the position of the Prime Cabinet Secretary. And I have appointed my brother, Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi, into that office. That office is probably the most senior office after the office of the President and Deputy President. And I have set out functions for that office. He will assist the President and Deputy President in the coordination and supervision of government ministries and state departments, in liaison with the ministry responsible for interior and national coordination, oversee the implementation of national government policies, programs, and projects. Number 3, he will chair and coordinate national government legislative agenda across all ministries and state departments in consultation with and for transmission to the party coalition leadership in both National Assembly and the Senate. He will facilitate interministerial coordination of cross-functional initiatives and programs. He will also coordinate, number 5, and supervise. He will coordinate and supervise the technical monitoring and evaluation of government policies, programs, and projects across ministries, and of course perform any other functions as I may assign him from time to time. My good deputy, Rigathi Gachagua, who I have a lot of regard for standing with me and working extra hours and being part of my support team. And now, by God's grace, he is the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. As I promised, my deputy is going to be a very busy person. And I am sending an executive order for print to assign my deputy very clear responsibilities that will assist me be able to discharge the responsibility, the heavy responsibility put on my shoulders by the people of Kenya, as is in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya. The Deputy President will deputize the President in the execution of all President's functions that are allowed by the Constitution and law. He will chair cabinet committees. He will oversee the implementation of cabinet decisions across all ministries and departments. Number 4, he'll coordinate intergovernmental relations between the national government and the county government, including chairing the Intergovernmental Budget and Economic Council, commonly known as IBEC. He will be the liaison between the constitutional commissions and independent offices in matters that require intervention by the national government, including budgets, policy formulation, and implementation of their recommendations. And number 6, he will coordinate the planning and supervise the implementation of development partners' funded programs and projects. And he will oversee public sector reforms and any other functions as I may assign him from time